Hey, what's up guys, this is Anand Kothari from Tech Akinik, and in this video I'm going to teach you how you can encrypt your external hard drives or your local drives by just using a simple feature of Windows which is called BitLocker. So basically I can finish this video in 30 seconds by just saying that go in your control panel, open BitLocker, enable for all your drives you want to be encrypted, and you're done. It's that simple. But if you want to see how I do it, what are the options which I select, just stick around and you can watch in this video how I do it and what is the best way of doing it. Thank you and you have a good one. So first I want to talk about what BitLocker actually does. In simple words, BitLocker encrypts the hard drive so that when someone has physical access to your drive, the drive is unreadable. BitLocker can be used to lock your local drives plus your external drives in case you're using any. BitLocker drives can be encrypted with 128-bit or 256-bit encryption. This is strong enough to protect your data in the event the computer is lost or stolen. The good thing is that even if you forget your password, you can still recover your drive from a file or flash drive. I'll show you these options later in this video. Oh wow, you can see my face now. Isn't that amazing? Okay, let's get started. So the first thing you have to do is open your start menu and open control panel. Go to your top right, in the search box type bit. I don't know why it's removing cursor from there, but just type BitLocker and it should be BitLocker drive encryption. Click on that. Click on that. Okay, now it's opening. Then select the drive. So I have an external drive connected. You can do it for your local drives as well as your external drives. So you can see there are my local drives over here and there is an external hard drive named AK external hard drive. Today I'm just going to show you for the external hard drive because that is kinda something different. You can do it for your local drives same as I'm doing for the external hard drive. Expand this, turn on BitLocker, click on that. Do not remove. Yes, I won't remove. Use a password to unlock your drive. So enter a password. For now I'm just gonna give it very simple one. So let's say AK123456 and then AK123456. It's fine. If you have a smart card you can use that to store your password over there or a password file or something like that, but I don't think so I will be doing that. Let's hit next, and then you have several options. So this is the page which will help you in case you forgot your password. So basically you can save your recovery file on your PC. You can print your recovery key which you can use it to unlock again your drive, or you can save it in your Microsoft account. For now what I can do is I can click on save to a file. For now I'll just save it on my desktop, hit save, hit next. So in this dialog you will get two options. Either you can encrypt the data which already exists. This is basically for new PCs, and if you keep adding on files or something like that, you just want to encrypt the data which is already there and you don't want to encrypt the entire external hard drive, then you can go with the second option. But I would just go with the first option right now. Although it says that it will encrypt the use disk space only, it will also encrypt the new files which you keep on adding to that drive. So I'll just go ahead and hit next on the first option because that is much faster. Then you will get two options, whether you can choose the new encryption mode or you can choose the compatible mode. So basically compatible mode is something which you can use with older versions of Windows as well. So basically if you're planning to move your current data into an older version of Windows or something like that, you can go ahead and select with compatible mode. If you're sticking to Windows 10 and you know that you're going to use only on this device, then you can select new encryption mode. I will go ahead and select the compatible mode because you never know. I mean, I can move data from here and there and something could happen anytime. So I will just go ahead with the compatible mode. You are ready to encrypt this drive. I love this message. Click on start encrypting, and yes, you will have to wait for it to complete. If you have huge amount of files, awesome, wait for a while and then unplug your external hard drive from your PC. Do not do that before, else it won't work basically. And for me it is gonna take some time because I store all my videos and stuff on that drive, so I'll fast forward the video for you, don't worry about that.